Welcome to the class, students. Today we are recalling the last topic in time series analysis, that is parabolic trend. That it is nothing but the second order equation and how to find the second order equations and how to solve the second order equation using normal equations and how to find out the constants. Here in second order we are having three constants, that is ABC. How to find out those three constants and using our normal equation, that we are going to see in this class. So take down the problem first. For the following data, fit a parabolic trend of the type y equals a plus bx plus cx square by the method of least square. Okay, so here this is year. Next, production. Here under production, it is 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next production, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 and 17. Yes, this is the problem they have given. For this, we have to fit the second order equation. That second order equation is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. For that, we have to fit the second order equation, and this is the second order equation. In this, we have three unknowns, that is a, b and c. So first let me write the second order equation, that is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. This is our second order equation, and let me write first the normal equations for this parabolic trend. Normal equations I am going to write. This is summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. Next is summation of xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. This is x cube. Next, summation of x square y is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. So these three are the normal equations in parabolic trend. Okay. So you just observe the normal equation. Here we want summation x, so summation x square, summation x cube and x power 4. Similarly, summation y, summation x into y, summation x square into y. So first we have to complete the table to solve the normal equations. So first I will complete this table. Again for this we have to make summation x equals 0. So if the summation x will become 0, summation x cube will also become 0. So first make this x, that summation x value should become 0. To make that we have to take the middle one, it is 2005. So if we take the deviation, it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and our summation x will become 0. Okay. Next you have to complete the table, x square, okay, x cube, x power 4. First complete this one, because in normal equations we have to find x, summation x square, summation x cube and summation x power 4 we have to calculate. First complete this one. So x square means 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9, and this total is 28. Similarly for x cube, it is, you have to cube this one. It is minus 27, minus 8, minus 1, 0, 1, 8, minus 27. So this total will become 0. Here summation x will also become 0 and summation x cube will also become 0. Next is summation x power 4. It is 81, 16, 1, 0, 1, 16, 81, and this total is 196. After completing this one, the next step is we have to find summation y, summation x into y, summation x square y. Summation y is nothing but this production, we consider it as y. This is our summation y, and take this total. This is 87. Here n is equal to 7. Next is x into y we have to calculate, and x square y we have to calculate. X into y is x into y. This is the x column and this is y column. You know how to calculate. It is minus 24. Take the product of that. Minus 20, minus 11, 0, 14, 30, 51, and this total is 40. X square y, this is x square column, and y column, multiply these two columns so that you will get this one. 72, 40, 11, 0, 14, 60, 153, and the total is 350. So that now we have completed the table. So using this table, the totals, we are going to solve the three normal equation. Okay. First we will take the, you take this as 1, 2 and 3. Let me take the second equation first. Because in this equation summation x is there, summation x cube is also there. In this table we have calculated summation x is 0 and summation x cube is also 0. So that our calculation will become easy and we can directly find out the b value. First I will consider the second equation, that is summation of xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square c into summation x cube. Okay. So I will consider the second equation. So using this equation, I will substitute the values. Summation xy is 40. This is 40 is equal to a I don't know. Summation x is 0. B into summation x square, it is 28 plus c into summation x cube is also 0. So this will become 40 equals, this will be 0, this will be 0. It is b 28, or b is equal to 40 divided by 28, and your b value is 1.428. So b is equal to 1.428. So this is your b value. So using our second equation, I have solved for b. Next is I have to consider the first and third equation now. Okay. So first consider the first equation. It is summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square, and next summation x square y is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. Okay. Substitute the values for this first using this table. So here summation y is 87 is equal to n is equal to 7a plus b into summation x, b into summation x is 0, c into summation x square is 28, and next summation x square y is 350 is equal to a I don't know, summation x square is 28, a plus b into x cube, b into 0 plus c into summation x power 4 is 196, c into 196. Now this B0 and B0, this will be 0. So I'll rearrange this one. 7A, I am writing this equation, plus 28C is equal to 87. And for this 28A plus 196C is equal to 350. So after rewriting these two equations, this is the form. For these two, using these two equations, we have to solve these equations as simultaneous equation. Make this simultaneous equation and find out the constant. To make the simultaneous equation and solve, we have to multiply the constants of any of the coefficient of any of the constants. Here I will consider constant of A. For this, the constant of A is 7. For A, constant is 28. I will cross this A coefficient of A, that is 28. I will multiply for this equation, and coefficient of A for first equation I will multiply for second one. So that this will be 7 into 28. 7 into 28 is 196A plus 784C is equal to 2436. And again 28 7, 196A plus 1372C is equal to 2450. To make this simultaneous equation, when we are solving, we have to change the sign. So this will become minus, and this plus and minus will get cancels. This is minus 588C is equal to minus 14, and C is equal to minus 14 by minus 588, and here the C value is 0.0238. This will get cancels. So C is equal to 0.0238. Okay, after finding the C value, the next step is we have to find the A value. So consider any one of these two equations, so that you will get the A value. So I'll consider this first equation, that is 7A plus 28C is equal to 87. 7A plus 28 into, I am substituting this calculated C value, it is 0.0238 is equal to 87. So 7A is equal to 87 minus 0.6664. A is equal to 86.3336 divided by 7. So A is equal to 12.3333. So A is equal to 12.3333. Now you substitute A, B, C constants in the equation, that is parabolic equation, that is y is equal to A plus bx plus cx square. So y is equal to, A value is 12.3333 plus b is 1.428 into x plus c is 0.0238 into x square. So this is your parabolic equation. At last you have to write this equation. You have to substitute and write the parabolic equation. You have to substitute all the constant values. In examination, you will get this type of problem for 10 marks. Okay? Let me solve one more problem. Next problem. So here in this problem we have to estimate for 2011. We have to do the estimation for 2011 for the data. So I'll write here year 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and next profit 14, 16, 20, 28, 42, 61, 81. So the first step is we have to write the second order equation, that is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Then you have to write the normal equations, that is summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square. Summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. Summation of x square y is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. So first complete the table by finding the values x cube, x power 4 and x into y, x square y. So first complete the table by finding these values. So to make x summation x will become 0, you take the middle one, that is 2007, take the deviation, it will become minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Next find x square, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9 and this total is 28. Next x cube, it is minus 27, minus 8, minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 27. This will also become 0. Next x power 4, 81, 16, 1, 0, 1, 16, 81. This is 196. Next find out summation y. Here n is equal to 7. Summation y is equal to 262. Then x into y column minus 42, minus 32, minus 20, 0, 42, 122, 243 and it is 313. Next to x into x square into y, this is 126, 64, 20, 0, 42, 244, 729 and this total is 1225. Now you have to consider the second equation. So consider the second equation, that is summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. So substitute this. First substitute the values for this equation. X into y, the total is 313 is equal to a summation x is 0, summation x square is 28 plus c into 0. So b 28 is equal to 313 or b is equal to 313 by 28. So b is equal to 11.1785. 11.1785. Okay. Next is you have to consider the first and the third equation. Substitute that first and the third equation. Summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square. Summation x square y is equal to a into summation x square b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. Substitute the values. Summation y is 262 is equal to 7a plus b into summation x will become 0. C value we don't know. X square is 28. X square y total is 1225 is equal to 28a plus summation x power 4 c 196. If I rewrite this one again, this is 7a plus 28c is equal to 262. 28a plus 196c is equal to 1225. Make this simultaneous, solve these two equations using simultaneously solve these two equations. So I'll multiply this by 28 and this by 7. So it is 196a plus 784c is equal to 7336. Again 196a plus 1372c is equal to 8575 So change the sign so that it will be easy. This will get cancelled. This is minus 588C is equal to minus 1239. So C is equal to minus 1239 divided by minus 588. Minus and minus get cancels. So C is equal to 2.1071. 2.1071. After finding this, the last is we have to find out the A value. That is, consider any one of these two equations. 7A plus 28C is equal to 262. 7A plus 28C is equal to 262. 7A plus 28 into 2.1071 plus 262. 7A is equal to 262 minus 58.9988. A is equal to 203.0012 divided by 7. A is equal to 29.0001. Okay. Now you have to substitute this ABC constant in the equation, second order equation. That is, y is equal to 29.0001 plus 11.1785x plus 2.1071 x square. Okay, but here we have to estimate for 2011. So estimation for 2011, it is x is equal to 2011 minus 2007. So x is equal to 4. X equals 4. Substitute this x value in this equation. So y is equal to 29.0001 plus 11.1785 into 4 plus 2.1071 into 4 square. After simplifying, so estimation for 2011 is 107.4277, or approximately it can be 107. Okay, approximately it can be 107. So we have done the estimation for 2011 also. So in examination, definitely this type of problem will be for 10 marks. Okay, when we are solving this one, be careful. First we have to write the normal equations, then only you are able to solve for A, B and C. Let me solve one more problem on this. Here also we have to do the estimation for 2011. Estimate the output. Estimate the output in 2011. So here two 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, profit. $12, $10, $14, $11, $13, $15, $16. $13, $15 and $16. And the first step is we have to write the second order equation, y is equal to a plus b x plus c x square. Next is you have to write the normal equations. Summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. Next, summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square, c into summation x cube. Next, summation of x square y is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. Next step is we have to complete the table. That is x, you have to x square, x cube, x power 4, x into y, x square y. Okay, complete the table with the values. Here n is equal to 7 and this is summation y is equal to 91. To make this summation x will 0, here the middle one is 2007. So I should take the deviation, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, so that this will become 0. Next 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9, this total is 28. Minus 27, minus 8, minus 1, 0, minus 1 plus 8 and 27, this will become 0. Next x power 4, 84, 16, 1, 0, 16, 1, 16, 84 and this total is 196. So last two columns will be different. X into y, this property is y. X into y we have to take, so I'll write the readings. Minus 136, minus 20, minus 14, 0, 13, 30, 48. This total is 21. Next x square y, it is 108, 40, 14, 0, 13, 60, 144. It is 379. Okay. So that we have completed the table. The next step is we have to consider the second equation. This second equation we have to take. That is summation of xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. So substitute the values, calculated values in this equation. Summation xy is 21, a into summation x is 0, b into 28 plus c into 0. So 28b is equal to 21, b is equal to 21 by 28. So b value is equal to, calculated b value is 0.75. 0.75. Next you have to consider the first and the third equation. Okay, consider first and the third equation. So summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square. Summation x square y is equal to a into summation x square, b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. Substitute the values. It is 91 is equal to 7a plus b into 0. C is c into 28. Next 379 is equal to 28a plus b into 0 plus c into 196. This will get cancelled. 7a plus 28c is equal to 91 and 28a plus 196c is equal to 379. So you have to make this, you have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So to solve this simultaneously, multiply this by 28 and this multiply by 7. So if I multiply these two equations, this is 196a plus 784c is equal to 2548 and next is 196a plus 1372c is equal to 2653. Change the sign, then this will get cancelled and here this is minus 588c is equal to minus 105. C is equal to minus 105 by minus 588 and this is C value is 0.1785. So we have calculated the C value. Next we have to substitute that value in any one of these two equations. So 7a plus 28c is equal to 91. So 7a plus 28 into 0.1785 is equal to 91. So 7a is equal to 86.002. A is equal to 86.002 by 7 and your A value is 12.286. This is your A value. Next, substitute all the three constants A, B, C in the equation. This is second order equation. So y is equal to 12.286 plus 0.75 into x plus 0.1785 into x square This is our second order equation. After this, next we have to estimate the output for 2011. We have to make the estimation. So estimation for 2011, x is 2011 minus 2007, x is equal to 4. So x equals 4. Substitute this value in this equation. So y is equal to 12.286 plus 0.75 into 4 plus 0.1785 into 4 square. After simplification, the estimation for 2011 is 18.142. This is 18.142. So in examination, this type of problem you will get for 10 marks. Okay, this normal equations will also carry marks, as well as instead of not only the normal equations, straight line equation will carry marks. The totals, this table will carry 4 marks. All the totals, all the summations will also carries marks. Normal equations sometimes carries marks. The constants A, B, C, that will also carries marks. And substitution for A, B, C in the equation carries 1 marks. And last estimation will also carries 1 marks. So this is very, very important concept in your time series. And if you will not get the straight line equation, estimation and curve fitting, so this parabolic is always a compulsory problem. Please go through this one. Thank you.